It feels like ChatGPT just appeared out of nowhere, right? In just a few months, it became one of the fastest growing technologies in history. It's everywhere, writing, creating, and talking in a way that honestly feels a little bit like magic.
But that's the big question, isn't it? How does it actually do that? How can a machine think and talk so much like a person? Well, let's pull back the curtain and really see what's going on under the hood.
Okay, so first things first, we've got to get our heads around what we're really dealing with here. This isn't just another computer program. It's kind of like the blueprint for a new kind of mind.
So what is it exactly? At its heart, ChatGPT is what's called an AI language model, and it comes from the research lab OpenAI. But its purpose is incredibly broad. Think of it as this amazing, versatile tool for pretty much anything from writing a quick email to learning a whole new skill. And when I say versatile, that's probably an understatement. Its uses already cover everything from creativity and art to pure logic and productivity. It's quickly becoming this powerful assistant in almost any field you can think of.
So now we know what it is. But the how? How does it actually work? Well, the secret is to stop thinking of it as a brain. Instead, I want you to think of it as an incredibly sophisticated engine that's designed to do just one thing: predict the very next word.
It all starts with its training. I want you to imagine feeding a machine a truly colossal library, a huge chunk of the internet, just packed with books, articles, conversations, you name it. That is essentially its entire education.
And right here, this is the most important distinction we have to make. It doesn't learn facts from all that data. It's not a database that's looking up answers for you. Instead, by analyzing all of that text, it learns the connections, the context, and the statistical patterns of how we humans use language. And this all leads to its core function, something called next word prediction. So if you type "the sun rises in the," it doesn't know the answer is east. What it does is perform a massive calculation to figure out the most statistically likely word to come next, based on every single language pattern it has ever seen.
Here's a great way to think about it. It's not reasoning. It's a lot more like a master musician who's heard millions of songs and just intuitively knows which note should come next to make the melody sound perfect. It's just completing a linguistic pattern, not actually thinking.
Okay, so that's the theory. But how does this pretty simple idea of a next word engine translate into all the useful and, let's be honest, sometimes amazing things we see it do in the real world? Well, the results are just incredibly powerful. Because it understands the patterns of our language so deeply, it can apply those patterns to almost any task you throw at it. It can adopt the pattern of a professional email, the pattern of a creative story, or even the logical pattern of computer code. It really is a multi-tool for thought.
And this tech isn't just a standalone thing anymore. It's becoming the engine inside apps that so many of us use every single day. Canva uses it to help you with design ideas. Midjourney uses it to turn a simple sentence into a breathtaking work of art. It's quietly becoming a core part of our digital toolkit.
So let's zoom out. Where's all of this actually taking us? It's becoming pretty clear that this isn't just another tech trend. This is a tool that is really starting to amplify our future. In our work, in our daily lives, these AI assistants are really starting to change the game. They're becoming collaborators that can help us break through creative blocks, partners that can help us refine how we communicate, and just really powerful aids for tackling tough problems. And this, right here, is the key takeaway. The real story isn't about humans versus machines. The goal has never been replacement. It's amplification. It's all about a tool that can elevate our own abilities and expand what we are truly capable of. Which brings the whole conversation right back around to you. With a tool this powerful, a tool that's designed to be a partner for your own intelligence and creativity, the only real question left is, what will you create?